everyone, it's Mia. If you've seen any of our recent videos, you'd probably remember me from the Reese's Pieces video and the 11-year-old makes Oreo milkshake video. But anyway, let's say who I am. I'm Nazira's granddaughter, and I just wanted to contribute and make my award-winning Strawberry Smoothie. This is really delicious and really easy to make. So without further ado, let's get into it. The ingredients needed are a blender, milk, ice cream, strawberries, and for decoration, whipped cream and sprinkles and 2 glasses. First step is to add your ice cream into your blender's cup. Now add your milk and repeat the process twice. Now add in all of your strawberries at once and add in some of your milk. As you can see, I've left a little bit in. Now give a really good shake. And then you blend it till your perfect texture. Again, it's completely up to you. And then you add it in your cups. Make sure to leave some room for the whipped cream. As you can see, I'm a very bad example. But don't worry, I did drink some, so in the next clip you'll see there is some left, see? And then you can add your whipped cream if you want. You can add whipped cream, it's all part of a choice. And I'm just doing it to both cups at the moment. And then add in your sprinkles. Again, it's just decoration. You can add it if you want or you don't have to. And also I used frozen strawberries just because I'd already opened the packet before and I wanted to use it all up. And now add in straws. And I cut up 2 fresh strawberries. And here is the finished product. I'm very happy with how they turned out. And I hope that you are also successful in the making of this. Just a super quick reminder, can you please watch another one of our videos? It really helps our channel. And you know what, while you're at it, why not like, comment and subscribe for more video ideas?